Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Bad Car Symptoms. Do you think you may have a bad sway bar link on your car? Well, this video should help you conclude if that's the case. The sway bar link is a very important part of your car's suspension, and when it's faulty, it affects the car's stability. So it's pretty important to know. Stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Clicking noise from the suspension. The first sign of a bad sway bar link that you'll easily notice is a clicking sound coming from the suspension. At first, it is vague and barely noticeable. Later, and especially in the final phase of the problem, it becomes a fully fledged clunking. Also, the clicking is noticeable when going over speed bumps, for instance. Less stability on the road. The next very common symptom is a less stable drive. Instead of your car firmly holding the road, so to say, you'll notice a wobbly and jittery reaction on the road. This goes double if the road quality is poor. You might be all over the place. Increased body roll. When cornering, you'll notice some serious body roll. There will be much leaning to either side, especially when you go through a bend or corner a bit faster. This is a red alert to inspect the problem, since you can easily lose control over the car. The steering wheel feels awkward. You may also notice an awkward wobbly feel on the steering wheel. It's much less than with a bad tie rod, for instance. It's barely present, but it is noticeable. Uneven tire wear. The final symptom of a bad sway bar link is uneven tire wear. Bad sway bar links are a part of the front suspension, and when they are faulty, they affect the wheel angle, resulting in uneven tire wear. The sway bar links must be faulty for a long time for this symptom to appear. Again, the sway bar link has a big role in the car's stability and control on the road. The moment you notice any of these symptoms, mainly the clicking sound, inspect them as soon as possible, as this is a matter of safety. Also, if the quality of the roads in your country is poor, be prepared to replace sway bar links more often than usual. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps find the problem. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.